we go. Norris. P14. Highest qualifying of the year. Can we do something with it? Can we do... Tell you what, the track is wet. Is anybody... Oh, we've got a mixed grid. I should have started in the wets. Oh, I should have started in the wets. Ocon's dropping positions. Ocon. What's happened here? Leclerc is steamrolling the competition. The Inter's not the tyre to be on. That's what I've established. What the fuck? Why is everybody going so slow?
So we'd like to increase management.
Oh my god. Why? I was going to start on the wet, but I was like, nah, no one else probably will. Oh man. But the Inter doesn't like... I always know that, but how have I dropped into 19th and 20th, man? That's not even funny, to be honest. Look at the gap we've got the leaders already. Look at Zhou. Oh, that's brilliant.
How's the track, please?
He's running up, especially at the end.
Hold on. Someone honestly... Yeah, Leclerc. So... Getting less. But what? I don't understand this. Right, this is where we've got to push, I think. Sure, that Leclerc gap's got to come down. But it's not. Look at the gap we've already lost to Charles Leclerc.